All right, guys, good morning. Another happy Monday. So today you have a online lesson. That's it. That's all you got to do. So this is kind of the last online lesson you guys are going to need to do before we start the major project, okay? So again, I logged into a Holt McDougall student edition here for you so you guys can see. You guys are going to look for 16.4. So you've had to do 16.1 measures of center, 16.5 histograms, and now we're going to do 16.4 dot plots and data distribution interactive student lesson. Okay, and I knew that because I went to today's calendar. We are on the last week here of this calendar. We'll get you a new calendar next week. Okay, so we have Monday 16.4 dot plots distribution is due the 17th. It's a red, so it means this is going to the gradebook, okay? If you have not done anything from last week and say you missed it, all right, I would suggest you go back through and fill in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever days you missed last week, because coming up, if you look on Wednesday, our major project that comes in like an assessment is going to start, and Friday it's going to be due. It's going to be a slideshow, so you could be looking for a video Wednesday. Okay, you'll also have a video Tuesday, all right, but our big project starts Wednesday. So if you have not done anything from last week or finished things up, what a great day to do it. So remember, on 16.4 you're going to hit start. If you don't know your username or your password, or if you don't know, you got to ask me. If you don't know how to log in, I have a video. You guys just got to scroll, and we'll look at that here in a minute. That tells you how to log in, okay? So it takes in a minute. You're going to do all the colors, guys. So you're going to have to do the green, the yellow, the purple. Once you get down to the yellow here, maybe.
Statistical question.
Okay,
Now
so you're
let's
going to do
practice with the personal math trainer.
You're going to do the orange personal math trainer and hit submit. Then you're
Now
going
try
to do
your homework on your own with the personal math trainer.
the red personal math trainer on your own. I need both of these to get you a full score. Okay. All right. So remember, watch all your videos. Do both personal math trainers. Submit both personal math trainers. Okay. If for some reason you do not know how to log on, I have a video at the beginning of the year to teach you how to do so. So let's go look and see if we can find it. So I'm going to use period 2 here. It's going to be one of the early ones, okay? So I'm going to scroll down here. Keep looking for how-to videos. Right here. How to log into Holt McDougall online. All right. Click on that. I have 9 people that I know have watched it. Go to instructions, boom, there's a video that'll teach you how to log into Holt McDougall. Then once you get there, if you don't know the password, you can email me, Google Hangouts me, whatever you need, and I'll get you that as soon as possible, okay? So as a reminder, you are doing 16.4, both personal math trainers, and anything else you may have not done from last week, okay? So if you don't know what you were supposed to do last week, take a look back here. Last week we didn't have a lot of things getting done, and if you want full participation grades and you don't want any of the any ones or twos, you need to make sure everything else gets done. Okay? All right. Happy Monday. Hope to hear from some of you guys. Hope you had a good Easter, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.